Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 Subject Mathematics, Chapter 12, Heron's Formula. This is lecture number 3 now. In last lectures, we have seen how we use Heron's Formula to find out the area of the triangle. In this lecture, we will see how to find out area of quadrilateral using the Heron's Formula. So that is the heading here, application of Heron's Formula in finding areas of quadrilaterals. We have quadrilaterals, then also we can find the area of it using Heron's Formula. We will approach to that type of examples. So first example 4 is here. Kamala has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter and 360 meter. One triangular field Kamala has whose sides are 240, 200 and 360 meters. Where she grew wheat. In this field she grew wheat. In another triangular field with the sides 240 meter, 320 meter and 400 meter adjacent to the previous field. This triangular field is also adjacent to the previous triangular field. There she wanted to grow potatoes on onions. In this another triangular field she wanted to grow potatoes and onions, and she divided the field in two parts, joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex, and grew potatoes in one part and onions in the other part. So how much area in hectares we have to find out has been used for wheat, for potatoes and for onions. So we need the area in hectares, as a hectare and meter square, between that the relation is 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meters square. This is the relation between hectare and meter square also given. So how to find out the areas, in how much area the wheat is grown, how much area the potato is grown, how much area the onion is grown. That three areas we want to find out here. For that, the figure is here we have shown. Let the triangle ABC is its first triangular field with the sides 240, 200 and 360 meter, right? Where she grew wheat. Where Kamala has grown wheat. And the another triangular field with the sides 240 and 320 and 400 adjacent to the previous field. So adjacent to which side? Where the side is common. 240 and 240 meter side is common. So on 240 side, we have shown the adjacent triangular field with the 240 one of the side of the another triangular field also. And the remaining 320 and 400, 320 meter is this side and 400 meter is this side. So this way triangle ABC and triangle ACD are two triangular fields she has, Kamala has, and they are adjacent to it, and adjacent the common side is 240 in both. So that will be shown. Now what she has done here, she has grown wheat, and in this field she wants to grow potato and onion in the remaining triangle ACD. And she divided the field in such a way, how she divided the field into two parts, joining the midpoint of longest side. Another triangle is this, its longest side is 400 meter and its midpoint is E, we have shown here. Midpoint it is. Okay, so midpoint of the longest side is E, and it's joined with the opposite vertex is C. So this way you join, right? So if we join this way and we make the CE, this CE will be the median of triangle ACD, and median divides the triangle into equal area. That theorem we have seen in triangle chapter. So this is the median. So these two triangles are equally area divided. So potato and onion will be grown in equal area, and that will be the half of triangle ACD. That we have to understand from the figure, from the given situation. So all these situations here we have mentioned. First, let the triangular field ABC where the wheat is grown, and the another triangle ADC, triangular field ADC is divided into two parts, joining the midpoint E of the largest side AD, that is to the opposite vertex C, the CE. So CE becomes the median of this triangle ADC, and because this, hence the area of triangle ACE equals to area of triangle DCE, it will be equal, and it is said as result 1. So in equal areas this potato and onion is grown. Potatoes are grown suppose here, and onions are grown on this. Both the area are same, so we can show potato and onion vice versa. Now we want to find out how much area on that wheat is grown, and that area shows in figure in triangle ABC. So for triangle ABC we will find the area first. For triangle ABC you can understand all the three sides are given. So A, B, C we have noted as each of the side. Let A equals to 200 meter, B equals to 240 meter, and C equal to 360 meter. So S, that is semi-perimeter, is equals to sum of all the three sides upon 2. That is 200 plus 240 plus 360 upon 2. Sum of these all, 240 and 360 is 600 and 200. 800 upon 2 will be 400. So S equals to 400 meter. Then S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, all the three terms we will find out, which will be used in the Heron's formula. So S minus A is, S is 400 minus A is 200, 400 minus 200, 200 meter. S is 400 minus B is 240, 400 minus 240, 160 meter. S minus C is 400 minus 360, it is 40 meter. So therefore area of triangle ABC where the wheat is grown equals to the root of, by Heron's formula, this is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Place all the value. S is 400, S minus A 200, S minus B 160, and S minus C 40. Calculate this and simplify this. The simplification is, how many zeros you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. For 6 zeros, at the end, the square root will be 3 zeros. So for 6 zeros, this 3 zeros we have done, and the remaining numbers are this 16 and this 4s are 64. 16's root is 4, and 4 2 times it's 4. 4 4s are 16, and this remaining 2 root 2. So 16,000 root 2 meters square the area of ABC we have. This can be converted in the hectare because we want the area in hectare, and 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meters square. So this much of meters square means 10,000 you divide to convert in hectares. In hectares to convert it, divide by 10,000. So you can understand 3 last zeros will be cancelled. 16 by 10 can be written as 1.6, and this is root 2. 1.6 and root 2 value is 1.41. Multiply these two. 1.6 into root 2, 1.41. We will get 2.26 hectares. The area of ABC is 2.26 hectares. Similarly, the triangle ABC, the next triangular field we will find now. In this part, triangle ABC, S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2 means 3 sides come upon 2. 3 sides are 240 plus 320 plus 400 upon 2. So sum it all, 240 and 320, 560 and 400, 960. 960 divided by 2 will give 480 meter. In this case also, we will find all the three terms S minus A, S minus B, S minus C for this triangle are. S is 480 minus A is 240. 480 minus 240, 240 will be S minus B. S is 480 minus B is 320. 480 minus 320 will be 160 meter. S minus C, S is 480 minus C 400. 480 minus 400 is 80 meter. So all the terms we have now, you can use the Heron's formula for this triangle now. Area of triangle ADC equals to the formula we have placed, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C in the root. So in the root, S is 480, S minus A 240, S minus B 160, and S minus C 80. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. For that 2 zeros we have placed, and square root of all the remaining is 384. So we have 38,400 meters square as the area of triangle ADC. It is in meters square, so convert in hectares, dividing by 10,000 like here. If you divide by 10,000, it will be 3.84 hectares. So this is the area of the triangle ABC, the full area. Now we have seen in result 1 that area of ACE equals to area of BCE. They are equally divided from result 1, and these are equally divided triangles are of the original triangle ABC. So if the full triangle ABC is divided into two equal parts, so every part area, that is area of ACE and area of BC, will be half of the original ADC. It is equals to half of the area ADC. So half of the area of ADC in hectares, it is 3.84. So half of 3.84 is given 1.92 hectares. So each of the part is 1.92 hectares. So the area used for wheat is actually the area of triangle ABC, that is we have 2.26 hectares. For potato, how much area is used? For potato, ACE triangle is used, and it is half of the original one, that is 1.92 hectares. And the area of used for onions, to grow onions, is also this part, DCE, is also same as ACE, so 1.92 hectares. So all the areas we have found where wheat is grown, potatoes are grown, and onions are grown in hectares, this way we have. So this is very good example where we have seen a lot of things in one only, and the typical figure also, and conversion of meter square to hectares. So carefully you write it at least 2-3 times and understand this lecture very well. Thank you.